So have you ever had back pain? These are great exercises for when you have back pain. So let's just get on your back. And this is why the RollerSizeR was invented. It was probably due to pain. The RollerSizeR is going to go underneath the waistline. Not the butt, the waistline. And as you're there, you're just going to calmly let the RollerSizeR do its magic by creating the beautiful lumbar curve. There should be no tension in the legs. Feet are very natural, and you're just feeling relaxed. Allow the lower back to melt over the RollerSizeR. The arms will be out to the side with the knuckles up, and the hands will be stretched out from the shoulders, and the knuckles will be up, and your fingers are like a spaceship. You're holding the spaceship down. Your shoulders are melting along the floor. I want your knees to fall to the right, not put, fall. And then I want you to bring them up, and they're going to fall to the left. And then we're going to go back and forth. A little whittle, whittle, a little whittle, whittle. And if you get a little click, you always got to raise your hand because that could be a natural adjustment. A little whittle, whittle. And you can whittle as long as you feel that back releasing. Okay, knees are back to neutral and bent. Your legs are going to fall to the right. Been there before. That top leg is going to come over to the right hand. Now some of you are thinking, there's no possible way I can do that. I want you to grab that foot if you can. But if you can't, it's okay. Does the side of the top of the butt hurt? Good. But what if you can't grab that foot? That's okay. You can grab the knee. But where I'm going is I want you to be able to grab that foot. You take that hand and you clasp those toes. And you look like the human X-Man. And the knees come back to neutral. Through whittle. Whittle to the left. And that top leg comes on over. Now let's say you have some tight shoulders. That right shoulder could start leaving the ground like some sort of alien. But you're going to just talk to it. I am completely flat shoulders melting into the floor, and I'm going to reach my left hand to my toes. And it's going up my leg and down my hip. But remember, you can bend that leg and just grab your knee and get it where you can.
Oh, there's no way I can do that because I can't go that way.
Oh, that's what you think. But I've seen many, many tight people like yourself be able to touch their toes and going back to the neutral position. Feels so good. And now the RollerSizeR is going to go underneath the knees. When you have back pain, you don't love yourself, you don't love anyone, you're probably cranky, and you feel like telling everybody to go to hell. Bring the two balls to your chest and hug yourself. Glue them to your chest and give yourself a personal hug. It's your moment. Now you can stretch your legs up in the air as long as the two balls stay close to your heart because you're in love with yourself. Those personal hugs, sometimes that's all you get. You're going to put your feet back down on the ground in that neutral spot. One of your knees is saying, I really, really want a hug. So take your RollerSizeR, put it underneath your glutes. Point placement number 5. You're going to grab your right knee and you're going to bring it into your chest. You're going to give yourself that personal hug. Why don't you come up and give it a kiss? And then down your head goes. That left leg is going to stretch out. Oh, so as to stretch the so as you don't have back pain. And you switch the legs. And the RollerSizeR is supporting the lower lumbar where you're stretching the so as. You don't have lower back pain because the so as muscle is sometimes what causes that lower back pain. RollerSizeR just stays there underneath the glutes. You're going to stretch your legs out. Cross your ankles. Grab your thumbs. Take your hands over your head. Stretch your arms behind you. If you have tight shoulders, maybe your shoulder won't go down, but you're going to grab your thumbs. And you are the human Twizzler. Chin is up, head is back, the neck and lower back are stretching, and you're going to switch your legs. And you feel so long and skinny. And then you roll to me. Hand underneath your head. Grab your RollerSizeR. Tell it you love it.